Dubrovnik, Croatia. A city bathed in sunshine lapped by the azure waters of the Adriatic Sea. Known as the Pearl of the Adriatic, Dubrovnik is a place where history and beauty collide. Perched dramatically on the Dalmatian coast, this Croatian gem captivates visitors with its stunning architecture and rich history. From its humble beginnings as a 7th century settlement, Dubrovnik rose to become a powerful maritime republic. Join me as we embark on a journey through time, exploring the captivating story of Dubrovnik. The story of Dubrovnik is inextricably linked to the sea. Founded in the 7th century AD, this Adriatic settlement emerged on a rocky island just off the Dalmatian coast. Its strategic location made it an ideal haven for maritime trade. Early Dubrovnik, known then as Ragusa, thrived as a maritime hub connecting east and west. Its ships sailed the Mediterranean, carrying goods, spices, and ideas between distant lands. The seeds of a maritime republic destined for greatness were sown. The 13th to 16th centuries marked a golden age for Dubrovnik. During this period, the city flourished as an independent republic, known as the Republic of Ragusa. Its maritime prowess was unmatched, and its merchant ships sailed the Mediterranean. The city shrewdly navigated the complex political landscape of the Mediterranean, maintaining peaceful relations with rival powers. Dubrovnik's citizens invested heavily in education, art, and architecture. The legacy of this golden age is visible today in the city's magnificent architecture and rich cultural heritage. Dubrovnik is a city best explored on foot. As you stroll through the narrow, limestone-paved streets of the Old Town, you'll be surrounded by architectural wonders. One of the city's most iconic landmarks is the Stradun, a wide, pedestrianised street that runs through the heart of the Old Town. No visit to Dubrovnik would be complete without exploring its impressive city walls. Walking along the walls offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city and the Adriatic Sea. Each building in Dubrovnik tells a story, whispering tales of merchants, seafarers, and the city's enduring spirit. Section 5, Rising from the Rubble. The earthquake of 1667. On April 6, 1667, disaster struck the historic city of Dubrovnik. A devastating earthquake, one of the strongest ever recorded in the region, ripped through the city, reducing much of it to rubble and causing widespread destruction. The earthquake and the ensuing tsunami claimed the lives of thousands of citizens, leaving the once proud republic in ruins and its people in mourning. The city's economy, heavily reliant on maritime trade, was crippled as the port and many ships were destroyed. Yet, even in the face of such overwhelming adversity, the spirit of Dubrovnik endured. The city's citizens, displaying remarkable resilience and determination, set about rebuilding their beloved city from the ground up. The rebuilding process was slow and arduous, taking many years, but it also presented an opportunity for renewal and modernization. The city that rose from the rubble was a testament to the indomitable spirit and unwavering resolve of its people, standing as a symbol of hope and resilience. Section 6, A Changing Tide, From Napoleon to Modernity. The 18th and 19th centuries brought significant changes to Dubrovnik. In 1806, Napoleon's armies marched into Dubrovnik, ending centuries of self-rule. Following Napoleon's defeat, Dubrovnik became part of the Austro-Hungarian Empire. While Austrian rule brought stability and economic recovery, it also marked the end of Dubrovnik's independence. Despite these political upheavals, Dubrovnik's spirit remained resilient. The city continued to be an important cultural and economic center within the Austro-Hungarian Empire. Throughout these turbulent times, Dubrovnik's architectural treasures and unique cultural heritage remained a source of pride for its citizens. Section 7, Dubrovnik Reborn, Croatia and Independence. The late 20th century brought about a new chapter in Dubrovnik's history. In 1991, as the former Yugoslavia fractured, Croatia declared its independence. During the Croatian War of Independence, Dubrovnik endured a devastating siege. The city, a symbol of Croatian culture and history, was bombarded by Yugoslav forces, causing significant damage. Following the end of the war, Croatia embarked on a path of recovery and reconciliation. With the support of UNESCO and the international community, the city undertook a massive reconstruction effort. Today, Dubrovnik stands as a symbol of Croatian independence and resilience. Section 8, a UNESCO treasure preserving the past for the future. In recognition of its outstanding universal value, Dubrovnik was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1979. This prestigious designation underscores the importance of preserving its cultural heritage for generations to come. UNESCO played a vital role in coordinating international efforts to restore the city's damaged cultural heritage. Today, Dubrovnik serves as a model for heritage conservation and sustainable tourism. By safeguarding its heritage, Dubrovnik is ensuring that future generations will have the opportunity to experience the magic of this Adriatic pearl. Section 9. Dubrovnik on the silver screen Game of Thrones and beyond. In recent years, Dubrovnik has gained international fame as a filming location for popular movies and television shows, most notably HBO's hit series, Game of Thrones. The city's unique charm and historical significance have made it a prime spot for filmmakers seeking an authentic medieval backdrop. The city's stunning architecture and medieval ambience have transformed it into a favorite destination for filmmakers. Its well-preserved walls, ancient streets and historic buildings provide a perfect setting for various genres of film and television. Game of Thrones fans will instantly recognize Dubrovnik as the fictional city of King's Landing. The iconic scenes shot here have left a lasting impression on viewers worldwide. The popularity of Game of Thrones has brought a new wave of tourism to the city. Fans from all over the globe flock to Dubrovnik to walk the same streets as their favorite characters. Dubrovnik has embraced its newfound fame, offering themed tours and experiences that allow visitors to immerse themselves in the world of film and television. These tours provide a unique opportunity to explore the city's rich history while reliving memorable moments from the screen. Section 10. The enduring spirit of Dubrovnik, a city where history meets the sea. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the terracotta rooftops of the old town, it's easy to see why Dubrovnik is called the Pearl of the Adriatic. This enchanting city captivates visitors with its timeless beauty and rich history. From its humble beginnings as a 7th century settlement, Dubrovnik has weathered countless storms. Today, Dubrovnik stands as a testament to the power of human resilience and the enduring allure of history and beauty. Dubrovnik is a city that will stay with you long after you've said goodbye. Section 11. Planning your own Dubrovnik adventure, practical tips for travelers. Ready to experience the magic of Dubrovnik for yourself? This enchanting city with its rich history and stunning landscapes is a must-visit destination. Here are a few practical tips to help you plan your own unforgettable adventure in this Adriatic gem, from the best times to visit to the must-see attractions. Best time to visit. Dubrovnik is stunning year-round, but shoulder seasons, spring and fall, offer pleasant weather and fewer crowds. This is the perfect time to enjoy the city's beauty without the hustle and bustle of peak tourist season. Getting there, Dubrovnik Airport, DBV, is well connected to major European cities. Direct flights are available from many destinations, making it easy to reach this coastal paradise. Ferries and buses offer scenic routes along the Dalmatian coast. These options not only provide beautiful views, but also a chance to experience the local way of traveling. Getting around the Old Town is best explored on foot. Its narrow streets and historic sites are perfect for a leisurely stroll. Local buses and taxis are available for exploring surrounding areas. They are convenient and relatively affordable, making it easy to venture beyond the Old Town. Accommodation. Dubrovnik offers a wide range of accommodation options, from budget-friendly hostels to luxurious hotels. Whether you're looking for a cozy place to rest or a lavish experience, you'll find something to suit your needs. Food and drink. Indulge in fresh seafood, local wines, and traditional Croatian dishes. The culinary scene in Dubrovnik is vibrant and diverse, offering something for every palate. Things to do: walk the city walls, explore the Old Town, take a boat trip to Lokrum Island, and immerse yourself in the city's history and culture. Each activity offers a unique glimpse into the charm and allure of Dubrovnik.